It's loss of contact with reality, abnormality of thought, feelings and deeds.
Psychosis, as far as I'm concerned, is a form of mental illness.
Psychosis is a word used by psychiatrists to describe a whole cluster of experiences and symptoms in terms of the medical model.
I'm Anne Menzies and I'm 56, 57 on Tuesday, and I suffer from bipolar. I go high and I go low, and when I go low, I go so low, I'm on the floor. I can't get up, I don't want to do anything. I don't think of anything. I can sit in the chair and just look at the clock and watch the clock go around for 8 hours and not even notice it's gone. I think basically the mood swings are my problem. That is my psychosis.
You can actually feel as if you're involved in a conversation or a programme, either on the radio or on the telly, and even when you're reading a paper or anything, it can feel as if it's related to you when it isn't.
Distorted thinking, hallucinations, seeing things that aren't there, hearing things, maybe smelling things, maybe feeling that, tactile hallucinations, that things are touching them.
Monday morning, doctor called, even though I wasn't really aware of the doctor being called. I was completely out of it. By that time I was God. I was above everything, especially as everybody else was dead. A social worker came, the psychiatrist came, and then they took me to hospital. Finally, the days, I think, started to, or perhaps the tablets were wearing off, I don't know. The days started to lift, and I found myself in the bath with a nurse suggesting I should have a wash and wash my hair. At this point, I'd lost all the ability to do anything, think for myself, completely. Everything that I knew had gone.
When someone around us starts to describe experiences that we might attribute to this concept of psychosis, I think it can be extremely alarming and worrying, and perhaps sometimes people will seek to disabuse people. Oh, don't be so silly, or, you're attention seeking.
Any form of mental illness, if you go in a pub or a club or out in the street and admit that you've got a mental illness, you're stigmatised.
I don't actually think the public know what the condition is. I think they just act on the person's behaviour that they see, and then they think it's out of the ordinary, so they take the name.
Mind has helped me get a purpose back in my life, to be able to restructure it, to make me feel wanted, to make me feel worthy of being able to do something. It's brought me in contact with similar people and being able to speak to people.
I think mind plays a significant role in psychosis. Mind offers support for people who have mental health problems. It's a place where people can feel safe and secure because they can meet people who are also experiencing the same symptoms. They can be reassured. Mind also provides training, awareness training, so that members of the family and carers are also made aware of what the symptoms are and really how to treat the symptoms, how to deal with them, how to offer reassurance and help to somebody who is struggling from a psychosis. I don't think it can be underestimated, the role that mind plays for people who have mental health conditions.